city sleeps, but I'm wide awake, thinking about the choices we didn't make. Your shadow lingers in the corner of my mind, a love we lost but can't leave behind. I dial your number, but I hang up fast. Memories of us too heavy to last. Every heartbeat calls your name, and I'm trapped in this love I can't tame. These are my midnight confessions, the secrets I keep under my skin. I've loved you in every direction, and I don't know where you end or I begin. Yeah, these are my midnight confessions, and I'm still holding on to what could have been. I drive past your street in the pouring rain. The puddles reflect the echo of your name. I see us laughing in the corner of my eye, and I swear I hear your voice in the night sky. I dial your number, but I hang up fast. Memories of us too heavy to last. Every heartbeat calls your name, and I'm trapped in this love I can't tame. These are my midnight confessions, the secrets I keep under my skin. I've loved you in every direction, and I don't know where you end or I begin. Yeah, these are my midnight confessions, and I'm still holding on to what could have been. Maybe we were too young to understand. Maybe life had other plans, but I'll keep you in the quiet of my nights, the love that burns in soft gentle light. The secrets I keep under my skin. I've loved you in every direction, and I don't know where you end or I begin. Yeah, these are my midnight confessions, and I'm still holding on to what could have been. Oh. Midnight confession.